Everybody, Bowman NBA Mixer, Random Team 13. Superfractor autograph, I think is at 575 now, I believe. 550 or 575, I'll double check. Dice roll, gonna be midnight. Good luck, guys. Midnight. Good luck, guys. 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12th and final. Fourth quarter up top. Mom in the middle on the bottom. Good luck here. 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12th and final. Nets on the bottom. The Pacers are up top. There's your guys' teams, everybody. All right. Good luck, guys. After this, we do start a fresh jumbo case, guys. Good luck, guys. Start on the hobby. Stay hot on the hobby. Asa. Kobe Saunders was our first base autograph. Yellow Wave of Wiggins. True Blue of Davion Hanna to 150. What's up, Go Birds? Base auto of Michael Brown Jr. A Met. Come on. Purple Reptilian of Jalen Wilson to 199. Okay, not the strongest hobby. Davion Hanna. Cooper Flag on a base. All right, not the strongest hobby box there. Can I borrow some money? Yeah, if you could pay back like in an hour, sure. God, this weekend saved me so much. It's not even funny. I got lucky, man. I got hella lucky this weekend too. I'm very thankful because I can honestly say for the first time in 1 year of content creation that essentially the past month was almost free. Like I had such a roller coaster of swings, but I didn't. For the most part, there was only one. Last weekend, I overbet my amounts by way too much, but this weekend recovered a lot of it. So I'm technically still in profit for the month, but my content was at this point for this past month, free. So I can honestly say I actually had one profitable month of doing what I do. Burry's base. Nice Burry's base auto. Murray. So that's pretty cool. Is that gold paper? Mark Williams to 50. I do, honestly, I can tell you this much. I genuinely I don't know if I don't want to over exaggerate, but I honestly could potentially be like a lifetime winner on craps. I know that's hard to believe, but I'm not saying like a giant winner. I might be like, plus a couple $100, but I think on craps I'm probably a lifetime winner. If not, I might be broke even. Because I've never really had like a radical crap session. I've had radical slot sessions where I just fucking lose it. But craps, never. Base auto of Jerry Swat. Ooh. Is this our second case hit? For Mom in the middle, it's Juju Watkins again. I think I hit her in the last case. Nice Watkins on the anime. Christian, I have one. I've gone more crazy. Actually, I lied. Last year there was a time where I think it was around my birthday. I lost like quite a bit, but I made like $6 grand profit for like a 3 day stretch. I had like $6 grand, and like one day I got slaughtered doing a high limit slots video, and I lost like $2 grand, like water. Felt like I lost $100, kind like water, and that's just not me. And I tilted. I went to the craps table with $2 grand, I think, and I tried doing like 1,000 across. Smoked. Yeah, that was about my birthday time. I'm not proud of that one. I'm definitely not proud of that one. Never did it again till this day. Oh, damn it, Rain. Was it the first or second case hit that we've had in this? Oh, maybe that was the first. Fuck, I don't even remember. That might have been the second, because I swear we had a Juju Watkins come out last week. Did we have 2 Jujus in that case? I don't remember. Because the other case was the crystallized, right, of Dylan Harper. So the Juju Watkins had to have came out of Jumbo, I believe. I forget. Jalen Lowe on a true purple to 250. Knipple. He's been hiding from me a lot in this. Dyson Daniels. Malawak. Sienna Betts gold to 50 on the next gen. Blue Reptilian of soft ass Chet. I got the notification that Stephen A. Smith ripped into him. I have to watch it later. Oh, Holland on the Speckle autograph. And a gold of Jalen Lowe to go with that as well. Lots of golds in this case. We start a fresh case on the jumbo next one, guys. That's the kind of breaks I would love to get in, though. Like the 10 casers, the 5 casers. I love getting in those ones. If, assuming I was going to already spend the money. Because when I go chasing, normally I'll go at least 6, 8 cases. So, like, that's like, if I'm chasing somebody already, like, that's usually where I would go. Yeah, like I can't afford like elites for like 10 cases, you know, but I could stab at elites. I don't mind stabbing when it's an elite that I would chase. Stabbing's okay, but like for 10 cases, I would always go for the value guys. Like I'd look for the guys like Larry Bird, Rodman, the Stocktons. I would always try and go stabbing that way. Single box, I don't believe so. I don't think we, honestly, I don't think we have enough. I know that sounds weird, but I don't think we had enough. If we did, you probably would have seen us live on like Instagram as well with some Sapphire, truthfully. That would be a great product for this channel though. For like a one box, I should say. It's expensive, but it hits. It's not like a one single case hit kind of item there. Nice Watkins on the anime. That was the break, guys. Random team number 13. Thank you, everybody. Let's do your Blez online. Oh, I'm sorry. Beating the sword on the Watkins. Almost didn't beat the sword that. I just put a label on it. Shame on me. Beat the sword on the Watkins. Let's do your Blez online packs. Number 14 will hit the screen next. Good luck, everybody. $29 Blez online bucket pack coming your way. Good luck, guys. Hit a grail. Hit a grail. A Green Wave Optic from 2024. Grizzlies. This will be a jaw triple. It's got to be a jaw. I am way off. It is a Pip Jr. 14 of 14 on, I think that's the FOTL exclusive. 2024 Donruss Pip Jr. That might have been my least favorite one, honestly. That might have been my least favorite one. So you know what? If you guys want to do better than that, sign up for Blez Online. Use code HAMMER for your first purchase. And do better than that, please. Dice roll got to be ace deuce or higher. And we are going to go the minimum ace deuce times. Good luck, guys. Top spot gets it. 1, 2, third and final 3. Wow, the NIL women's again for Mom in the middle. Wins the Pip Jr. Congratulations, and that was the break.